Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to add money to Venmo. Now, before you do that, you need to apply for the Venmo credit card. And getting the Venmo credit card or debit card is pretty easy. You just have to go to cards right here. And once you go to cards, here you will find a button saying apply. You'll just have to click on it, provide your info, including your address. And after that, in a couple of days, they will give you the Venmo credit card. After that, you can go back to me right here. And now you should click on add money button. Then you should choose any one of these options. I will go for from bank or debit card. And after that, you'll have to add the balance. I will add $1. After that, click on add bank or debit card. Then you will have to choose your debit card that they have provided to you or any bank that you have. Then click on next. Then click on add $1 again. And after that, you'll find out that the dollar is added to your wallet. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.